Hey everybody, thought I'd make a little video here. Got some skip rolling on the C beat. Sporadic E or skip. I talked to Rhode Island. I talked to Rhode Island a week ago. Skip is sporadic E, and it just comes in and it goes. 266 here in Northeast Tennessee. 266. Anybody copy? CQ, CQ. How about you, Skip? Playing 266 here in Tennessee.
747 flying high above Central Oregon. We'll be 10-8 and reading the mail.
How about that 747 in Oregon? 747 Oregon. You copy 266 in Tennessee?
185. Appreciate your bump down. Oh, cause you're in the corner, just cruising this little old bay, mate.
I'm running an Antron 99 up 50 feet, 45 watts of power. CB only put out about 3 to 5 watts, but I got a small box hooked up, 45 watts. Instead of 5 on the CB, 5 watts, I got 45 watts. Antron up 50 feet. LMR low loss cable. 100 feet of LMR low loss cable. Anybody copy 266 in Tennessee? 266 in Tennessee, sitting here reading the mail. Anybody copy?
Alright, 185, do appreciate your bump down. Cause you're in the corner, I'm back quiet.
So I'm going to go around the band and just saying in my truck with a steel whip on the bumper, I don't hear none of this. None of this. That Antron is so far up in the air, it picks up a lot of stuff.
Down here, man. Conditions kind of bounced around a little bit, but I did get you in there, Bobby Boucher, Southern California.
266 here in Tennessee. 266. Anybody copy? 266 in Northeast Tennessee. Reading the mail.
Got you in there, man. Got you in there loud and clear. It's all you on that one. Didn't have any background singers that go around. Unit 66, sounding good down here in Southern California. Bobby Boucher said it.
266 here in Tennessee. 266 in Tennessee trying. Anybody copy? 266 in Tennessee.
Yeah, 10-4. Alright, Unit 66, I appreciate the comeback. I heard somebody get in there from Texas. Didn't quite get the handle on that one, but anyway, I got that Texas station rolling in. Bobby Boucher, Southern California. Let's go.
266 in Tennessee. 266 in Tennessee. How about you? You copy 266 in Tennessee.
I heard old man from Kentucky. I thought I heard old man from Kentucky get up in this receive. Old man from Kentucky, Bobby Boucher, Southern California. We're waiting.
Walmart, man. Southpaw was talking to Southpaw there. Southpaw got off and was headed to his house. Yeah, that's a mighty big signal for just listening in.
Contact on skip land. 654 out here in southern Arizona, working the ground plane. I'm out.
How about you, Arizona? How about you, Arizona? You copy 266 here in Tennessee. 266 in Tennessee. How about you, Arizona?
I hear it's kind of scratchy. Let me change the antenna.
Roger, on working. All righty there.
266 in Tennessee. 266 in Tennessee. Be trying. Break, break.
Hear you, buddy.
Who is that?
Who you want it to be?
Is this Wild Man?
Say wow, man.
What are you doing there, buddy?
Hanging in there like a loose tooth.
I'm making a YouTube video on film with my camera trying to make a contact on the skip.
How about it, Russ? You can see me. You can hear me from there. Got your radio on?
Wild Man heard me. He's in there. He heard me. That's a train wreck. That's a train wreck. Wild Man's here local to me. I ain't going to bother him, so I'm going to move on around the band. I knew that was him. For anybody that thinks CB is dead, it's not. If you got a radio in your car or your truck and you don't hear nothing, it's because you ain't got the right antenna set up. Get you a base station set up. Get your antenna way up there as far as you can get it. Legally, as far as you can get it up safely so it doesn't fall or hurt somebody. CB is not dead. I've got an Antron up. Base of it is 32 feet. The tip top is 50 feet. So CB is not dead.
Hey, 212, you still reading the mail break?
Two 266 in Tennessee. 266 in Tennessee. Anybody copy?
Hey, 281 in the diesel wagon. Oh, 281 right back in the diesel wagon. I don't know what happened to 212. They souped out. I don't know where everybody went to. Souped out with that fire got down.
Alright, y'all see what I done? Went to sideband, lower sideband. They're on the lower side of 39. Lower sideband, we got upper sideband. Excuse excuse me, they're on the lower sideband of 39.
Oh yeah, I remember that place. I haven't been down there in years, but I do remember the Sahara Vista. Yes, sir. Yeah, we're in Surprise out here. Kind of born in Phoenix and raised out here around El Mirage and Surprise, just west of Sun City.
Anybody copy Anybody copy 266 in Morristown, 266 in Tennessee?
In the 90s.
Had to switch my linear over to sideband. Had a different button to switch for sideband.
That's too fun for Christmas, especially if you want a white one.
266 here in Tennessee. Anybody copy 266 in Tennessee?
Yeah, that's the way it's been around here in the 80s for 4 or 5 days. And it's, like I said, it's a little bit on the...
So I went back to AM. Those guys are talking on sideband. Linear has sideband mode. Go back to AM.
Around Tucson, Arizona. Trying to get on top of the pile. Throwing a hammer. Let's see what we can do.
Southern California, we're leaving there.
Okay, my camera just got knocked in the floors. I'll stop the video. Don't want to make a long video, but this radio does upper and lower sideband. Heard someone on sideband. What that is if you're on channel 1, you've got upper sideband on 1, lower sideband on 1. Linear has a setting for upper and lower sideband. So I made a contact to talk to a wild man. I knew after seeing me come in there, he heard me and he come back. I did talk to someone in Rhode Island about a week ago on Skip. Just so busy, can't everybody get in there. All those guys are running a lot more power than what I'm running. Got an Antron 99 way up in the air on metal conduit. CB is not dead. The Antron 99 will do 10 meters hand band on this radio and this radio. Linko and Antitone 10 meter. With my switches, I switch it over and talk on 10 meter. Just want to make a video here about Skip Rolling, or Sporatic E they call it in ham radio. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back.